So this is a question of reasoning taken from chapter Coding Decoding asked by UPSC in their CSAT paper of 2016. A military code writes system as SYSMET, right? So the military code is writing system. System is written as SYSMET, right? And nearer is written as NEARER, right? Is written as AENRER. See, अगर इसको ऐसे नीचे लिखते हैं तो it's very easy to find out the logic, right? Using the same code fraction. So how the fraction will be written in that military code? So this is the question, right? So how we will write the fraction? So first of all we will see in this, right? So what is happening? So this is 3 sys and this is same sys, and what is happening with this TEM? So this is becoming MET. So we are just reversing these letters. The last letters are getting reversed, right? So this was TM. So they have converted into MET, right? Now we will see the logic here. So this is NEA. So this was constant here, but they have converted this letter also, like, so they have written in a reverse order, right? So what they are doing, they are dividing the words into two parts first of all, right? So this is a set of 3 and set of 1/2 is this side, 1/2 this side, and this 1/2 they are writing in reverse order. So this is becoming AEN, and similarly this is RER. So they are reversing this also RER, right? So here also, because reversing and this thing are same, that's why we are feeling that they are not doing anything, but they are reversing, right? So from here we can see that the last digit, last 3 letter they have reversed, and from here we can see that they reverse the first half letter, right? So we won't say first 3 letter, actually it will be right to say first half letter, right? So the same concept we will apply here. So there are how many letters? First, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So half will be 4, right? So this is the half. So we will reverse it. So how we will write? C will come this side, right? Then we will come A, then will come R, and then will come F, right? And similarly N will come this side, so this will become N, then O, then I, and then T, right? So this will be the answer. Now let's check from the options, right? So second is not correct, third is option C is also wrong, right? Now this is CARF, then TI, this is NO, so option A is also wrong. So CARF NOIT, so the option D is right. So the answer is option